So guys, I'm gonna make you video how I made it. Okay, so I'll start it now, and using the soldering iron you can wear the mask on your face and nose. So this smoky right here, like that, it's just all over you. So here you go, I started now. It's just easy like that. You let it hot at least 5 minutes, leave it on 5 minutes until this one is hot and it's ready to poke and make the hole. There you are. I guess I make some few of this. So I like my orchids to ventilated more than just normal. I know this clear pot is pretty good, and I'm really good on hole in the bottom, as you can see here. Beautiful hole, and I add more holes. See, I did that earlier, and now I did it on the top now. I like my orchids to get more air. It's full of, especially when you put the media there on the top. So I like this. I make some few holes, and it's pretty easy. It's not that hard. It's really good if all these things got some of the pot got already slotted one and got a lot of holes too when they sell it, but it costs you a little bit extra, and yeah, I think that should be fine now. See, voila, this is our clear pots with the making holes here. I think I'm gonna make a few of them more. See, earlier I did this in the bottom, although there is already holes in here, but I would like to add more so my orchids will drain properly. Like that. It's just poke like this. Things like this. Over here, whatever whatever hole distance you like, and it should be fine. Now I'm gonna make hole on the top again, like what I did in the other one. I did it to few of my collection here, and it seems to me orchids doing pretty well with these nice beautiful holes, and easy to drain too. As you can see here, you can wipe that with a sponge if you like this. But then you have to wait another one to make it hot again. That should be fine now. See if hot enough to poke again. Oh no. No, the reason I don't do this all the time, because sometimes you have to wait a little bit until it get hot again. Sure. See, as you can see, it's really pretty quick when I wet it in the sponge. Quick one, and keep on going out. Okay, and this one is always pulling off. Alright, more hole like that. It's really pretty easy, guys. So before I was thinking how I'm gonna make really more ventilation for my orchids with this beautiful clear pots, and finally I found the soldering iron that my lovely partner bought it for me, gifted it for me, and yeah, voila, it's very thoughtful. There you go. Whatever distance you like, guys, whatever distance you like for your orchids or for your pocket holes. Okay. Now it's going up. Okay. Get more holes. Good. Okay, this one is pulling off, don't worry about it. One hole, I think. Okay, I'm just clear this now. Yeah, I got one more rows, guys, to show it to you. Yeah, right here. That's the last one, and then we are done with this making holes video. And yeah, see this, just keep on poking in until you get the right holes what you like. Voila, guys, that's the last one. Now just turn it up like this, so the green one is not there anymore. It's pretty easy, really. That's it. So through with this, all your work is really pretty easy done. Some of them they're making holes through the nails and make it hot, but I don't think so. I didn't try that before. It must be really tough to do it with the nails and heating it up. So after that, you just clean it like this with your wet sponge. So it's all melted. So that's it, guys. I made just the two holes, two of this thing for two holes, more holes for the two pots, and the rest I just leave it for now. I'm just gonna show it to you because today or other day I will gonna make some of this video, so I can make holes, or I can make the repotting more of this new orchids that we purchased online. I hope you learned something from this today, guys, and I hope you like this video. And if so, if you do, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and comments down below. We'll share it to your friends or to your family, so they will know. So guys, you have ideas now how to make the holes in the clear pots for your orchids. Nice ventilation, easy to do it, see through with it. So there you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you have a wonderful day. Happy gardening, everybody. Enjoy, take care, be safe out there, and yeah, take care, guys, and we're always thinking of you. Take care in this time of crisis, especially this virus still around. Keep safe, stay at home if you can. Thank you so much, and have a good day. Bye bye. Orchid lover in Australia.